Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this. What is this? Collapsible picnic basket. This thing is so cool because it collapses down into pretty much nothing. And then when you open it up, all you've got to do is just snap in your sides and you have yourself a nice sturdy picnic basket that you can take with you, whether you're going out for a little picnic, you're going out camping, sports games, anything at all. It's nice and big. It's actually 32 liters. And you have this lid on top so you can put your drinks on it and use it as a little table. You've got double handles that do collapse down. And on the bottom, you do have optional wheels that you can put on. So that way you can take it with you and have it rolling around. If it's something heavy and you don't want to, pick it up and move it, you just simply put these wheels in here. And you do have two of them that are lockable, but 360 swivel wheels, you just stick on. Then you have your nice, rattan design on here, but it is just plastic. So that way it will withstand any sort of weather. And lift up the lid, put all of your stuff in here, whether you've got, like I said, a whole meal, anything at all. It's all just sitting right in here. Nice, easy to put together, wheels around. This thing is fantastic. Lightweight, carry it around. Nice little collapsible picnic basket that you can use for a variety of different things.